Hi guys, what's up? It's Emem back with another video. So today I am taking out my braids. So I've had these braids in for about a month and 3 weeks probably, and so now it's time for me to take them out, man. I'm actually really sad because I got them done in Nigeria when I went home, so now this is like the Nigerian braids are getting taken off. Ha, it's been a while, but I really loved them. Like, they're so long. I really loved having them, but I really want to change them up for like spring break, you know. I want to like do something different and new and nice, you know, just like us black girls, we like to change our hair up, you know, like to change and try different things and be creative and just do different things, you know, because we're creatives, you know. Anyways, but I'm taking this out. I just wanted to film a video of me taking it out. It's a lot, so I'm hoping that it doesn't take way too long, but let's start doing this right now. And I'm also going to take you guys through what I do after I take it out, how I like take care of my hair and wash it and condition it and things like that. And so it's just going to be a whole video of cutting out my braids till when it's like my actual hair. So I hope you guys continue watching, and let's start taking this crazy thing out of my head. So that's what it looked like. I had the middle pattern. It was just like very like nice, and like I just really liked it. It was so cool, so nice. I'm actually kind of sad that's going away. I'm sad it's going away. I love you. Okay, my foolery is over. Now let me start to take this thing off. So the way I do it, for sure, as usual, it's actually kind of painful as well because I've been putting it in like high up, and so when you put it high up, it kind of pulls on your scalp. So my scalp is just like kind of sore and itchy, and so I'm going to start by cutting the ends, of course, just like depending on where my hair is. So just to be safe, I just like do it right here because my hair is not that long, but I'm just like, just be safe. But my hair is definitely not this long yet, but yeah, this is where I usually try to cut it off. Goodbye braids. And so that's how long it was. It was actually really long. So this is what this hair looks short, as you can see. I just think, guys, isn't this fire? Like, I'm like, to be honest, I'm actually a very big fan of short braids. If you guys saw my last like taking out my braids video, I actually had short braids on, and I just think every time I cut my long braids to this height, I'm always like, this is actual fire. Like, look at this. Like, I just feel like it's so like, I don't know, it's just so chic. It's like I don't know, I'm just like I've actually never counted how many braids I have in my hair, so I'm going to count as I'm losing it, and hopefully I stick to it. Guys, I'm gonna be ratchet here, so I can't find my comb, like, you know, the tail end, the comb with the tail end. I can't find it. I don't know where I kept it. I really just don't know where I kept it. I can't find it anywhere. So I was looking around my room to be like, what can I use that's good to make my life easier instead of using my hands? And I found a fork. A plastic fork. And guys, this can be a hack, so I'm actually gonna try this for the first time on my braids to see if this works, to be honest, because this can actually be a hack. Just carry like a plastic fork in your house and use that to what's the word, to losing your braids, to be honest, because I literally was like, what can I use? And let's try this for the first time. It might actually be efficient. Look at this. This is efficient. See? Improvisation. That's what it's called. This is improvisation. Correct improvisation. So let's go. So as you see, the first one is out. That's what it looks like, and this is what my hair looks like. Usually there's usually buildup at the root because of like, yeah, it's just dirty. So that's basically just dirt because I haven't washed my hair, so that's basically what that is. And of course you have some shed hair. So basically, from what I've heard, even while your hair is in braids, your hair is still shedding, so you're definitely going to have shed hair as you losing your hair. You're definitely going to lose hair as you take out your braids. So it's not as if your braids are cutting your hair, it's just that your hair is shedding, and because it's not moving, it's just the shed hair is just staying in one place. So now that you take it out, then your shed hair is going to start coming out. So that's basically the whole thing. That's why it kind of, that's why your hair seems to break, but it's not really breaking. But definitely a very important thing to do is once you take out your braids, to comb it. So definitely just like comb your hair immediately after taking out your braids, because it makes it easier at the end of the day. So you don't have like clumped up hair, just like different pouts of clumped up hair in different places. So as you're losing it, you just keep combing it, and at the end you just have like a whole full head of hair. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna turn on my music right now and concentrate on loosening this freaking thing.
Learning how to breathe. I learned as I begin. Oh, I don't know if I can do it. Dangote, see the time on you. I know they sleep on the money. Who happy, where make I no go find money. I know they say that they do. Me at the hustle,
okay, so this is something that I do when I'm losing my hair. So it's like a tip for 4C hair chicks. So you know our hair kind of shrinks even if it's not wet or anything. Sometimes it just like reduces in length and gets like together instead of stretched out. So to keep it stretched out as I am losing, instead of allowing it to shrink, I just twist it up. Alright, so that's one side. As you can see, they're all in twists. And my hair is actually not as dry as I thought it would be. It actually has some moisture, and like I feel like this is like a good time to take out my braids because they're not too dirty. I'm not like shedding that much of hair. It's a lot, but it's not that much. And it's not hard or dry. It's like actually very puffy and like really nice. I really like how it's coming out. I don't know. It just feels good, and I'm happy to have my hair back. The hair is growing. The hair is growing. The natural hair is growing. The natural hair is growing. Look at it. Look at it. I'm so excited, man. You don't even know. I beg. It's been a while. I've had this natural hair. I'm just waiting for it to, you know, keep growing, you know, keep living. Very last braid. Let's do this quickly, man. The last one. So here, the last braid is out. Just gonna comb this last thing out and twist it up, and I'm gonna be done. All right, so that's my crazy hair right now. It's all in twists. So this is all the braid hair. There's so much here. I can't even carry all of them. And to be honest, I lost track of counting. I just stopped counting at like 50. I got tired. I was like, okay, this is way too much. So I just stopped counting. But I'm sure it was definitely more than 100 braids. And so that's what all the extension hair looks like. And then as for all the hair that I lost, this is all I lost. Not a lot at all. And so yeah, it wasn't that bad. Last time I actually took my braids out, I lost way more than this. It's late right now, so what I'm going to do right now is go to sleep, and then I'm going to wash tomorrow. And so I'm going to show you guys how I wash and just the whole process of that. Okay, so it's time to wash my hair. As you can see, my hair is kind of stiff. I took it out of the twists and like had it out for the day. It's kind of like in the evening now, and I decided to wash my hair finally. And so I'm going to put my hair into 4 parts. That's how I always wash my hair, in 4 parts, because you know I have fussy hair. We need to do that. Then I have a lot of hair, as you can see. And so I'm going to split it into 4 parts, and I'm going to start with this back section. So definitely first thing I do is wet the hair, and then before I use my shampoo, I actually use a conditioner. So I'm using the Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner, and I'm basically using this to soften up my hair. You can call this pre-poo, but it's not really pre-pooing. This is just softening up my hair before I start washing it. This is basically what I do when I don't have time to pre-poo. So tip for you guys, something you can do quickly in the shower. Have conditioner in your hair, comb it out, and just make sure that it's soft and finger detangle and things like that. Rinse it out before you use your shampoo. So now I'm going in with my shampoo. It's the Shea Moisture Moisture Retention Shampoo. That's what it is. And so as you can see, I'm focusing on my roots, trying to get all that gunk and all that buildup and dirt out of my scalp. Very crucial to focus on your roots, but also wash the actual hair. And so now I'm just rinsing that out as usual with the shampoo. As you can see, my different hair pattern is showing at the back. As if you watched my last wash day routine, you would see that I talked about how I have very curly hair at the back of my head, so like 3C 4A kind of hair, which is very weird, but most of my hair is 4C. So now I'm done shampooing my whole head, and yeah, we're good. So I'm going to start conditioning now. I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil conditioner, and I'm going to put that on my hair. I think it's a mask actually. Just put that on my hair and comb my hair out. As you can see, I'm kind of low on product, so I didn't like pack a lot of conditioner on my hair, but usually I would have a lot of conditioner. It's always good to use more than less, but I was strained. I didn't have enough basically. So now I'm done putting conditioner on my hair, and just gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. And so I rinse the conditioner out of my hair, and that's basically what I do. Alright guys, this is the final thing. I decided to blow it out, and so it's blown out, and I kind of like twisted it, because as I blow it out I usually twist it up, and so this is what is the final result. And my hair is nice and healthy and moisturized and everything, so I really like how it feels and how it looks. And now it's just to go style it however I want to. But yeah, that's how I take care of my hair after I take out my braids. Something I've noticed that my hair has definitely grown. Like my hair is really growing. I was like, wow, okay, all right. So that's how I take care of my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was like a very smooth process actually. I feel like I'm getting more used to my hair. Like I feel like I'm kind of like an expert on my hair by now, because it was actually very smooth, like washing it and everything. It wasn't like I wasn't stressed out. Blow drying it was like actually very easy. So yeah, I'm getting really good at this, and I'm really excited about that. So that's the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, give me a like on this video. I post a lot on Instagram, so please follow me there. And yeah, just join the family. More natural hair videos coming soon, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Peace and strength.